Welcome back to It's Okay Garage. Today I'm going to be working on the AMG. It's got a misfire on cylinder 5. So let's get that hood popped and those plastic covers taken off. I'm going to come in, pull this plastic piece off, and the coil pack should be this front side on the passenger side for cylinder 5. So let's pull that off and get it out of the way. Get those two bolts out. They are a T30. Looks like they didn't even put one back on this one. So looking into it further, on a forum was wrong saying this was cylinder 5 on the passenger side. Firing order is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 is over here on the driver's side. So we're gonna pop this coil pack off, switch it out with that new one. So let's pop that bad boy off. Also, this was a T30, a kind of a cool trick. You could take a 24mm wrench, can't break it with your hands loose or you don't got a socket for the T30, and put it in the screwdriver like that for a handle. Just a little fun fact. Just like that, we got that coil pack taken care of and the misfire going. So let's go take it around the block just to make sure everything else is good on it. Thanks again for watching. And if you haven't yet, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in those next projects.